Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In this one, the project that we're going to talk about is called POOPSKA. This is another meme coin, and it basically has developed a whole ecosystem with a lot of different products, a lot of different features to offer to different types of users. So in this video, we're going to talk about all the things that this project has to offer. And of course, as always, we'll take a look at it from an investor point of view to determine the potential of this project and the profit that we can generate through it. So make sure that you watch till the end to find all that out. They do have a pre-sale, so we are going to talk about that, and we do know the significance of pre-sale, especially when it comes to solid and genuine projects and startups. So we'll talk about details on that. But as always, anything that I'm going to say is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. So always do your own investigation and research. And with this out of the way, let's get right into it. Now, this is the official website of POOPSKA. We're going to review the website. We're going to take a look at their white paper and all the things that it has to offer, their vision, their aim, the services or the products that they offer, what they have planned for the future. And then we're going to talk about the pre-sale, of course. So first of all, we're going to learn what this project actually is. For starters, this is a meme project that is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, in meme coins, the tokenomics plays an important part. How the transaction tax is distributed and how we benefit from it. And one of the ways through which we benefit in most type of meme projects is reflection. But the difference in this project and the other reflection of other projects is that in other meme projects we get the reflection in the same token that we're holding. So if you're holding a meme token that has a reflection mechanism, you receive more of that token in your wallet for just holding that token, which is a good thing. But if the value is dropping, then you're getting more tokens, but eventually you're not making any profit because the value of the token is dropping. So if you hold the token and you are receiving reflection in another token, whether it is a stable coin or any of the top cryptocurrencies, that is more beneficial, because in that case, even if the price of the token is reducing, still you have received reflection and you are receiving reflection in another token, and that price, that token's price is probably not decreasing because, well, either it's a stable coin or a top cryptocurrency, which is not much impacted. So in this case, the holders receive reflection in Bitcoin. I think that's the most interesting part in this. So you hold the POOPSKA token and you receive reflection in the form of Bitcoin. 2% of the transaction, every transaction that takes place, whether it's someone buys the token or someone sells the token, it is used to get Bitcoin, and that is distributed to the token holders, proportional to the amount of tokens that they are holding. And 1% of the amount that is transacted, whether it is bought or whether it is sold, it is distributed to the marketing and for the development, which is further invested in the project to move further, because they are developing a lot of the things. They are doing a huge marketing push, which is really essential. You need to create something solid, but you also want other people to know that you are building something. So in that case, development and marketing both are really important things for the growth of a project. So this is the information that we have about the tokenomics. In total, we have 1 billion supply, which is not really a lot. Now, here's the things that we're going to have in the future. And we're going to, of course, talk about what makes it secure. They have received badges. It is completely secure. And I'm going to give you reasons on why it is completely safe and secure. So we're going to have their own wallet. We're going to have information about that as well. NFT Mall, then POOPSKA Swap, AI Games, Poop Station. So we are going to have different types of things in this project. Now, one thing that they're doing is spreading awareness about crypto and spreading knowledge about crypto in a really fun way. They're using comics and episodes. Now, comics are really popular. Most of the the most famous blockbuster movie series, first they're comics and then they're turned into movies. So comics are really important, and there's a huge fan base for comics, for people who read comics. So they're creating comics, different episodes in it. If you scroll down on the main page of the website, actually they share it right here. Here you can see the comics that they have. There are like several chapters of it. This is the episode 2 of the comic, and then they're also launching episodes which you can watch right here. This is the episode 1, which tells the story of the POOPSKA project itself. So I think it's pretty interesting. This is the whole the episode number 2 that we have. They will be launching it occasionally. I think this is really fun. You have comics and you have these cartoons, which becomes really popular. A lot of people watch these. So this, in a way, will be spreading awareness about the cryptocurrencies to the people. Well, let's face it, it's really fun, and I really admire that they're doing these things, because barely any project is doing these type of things. So this is one thing that they're doing. If you take a look at the the white paper for more information, this is their mission, community. We're going to talk about the safety and so forth. But here are the this is the whole ecosystem and the utilities that they have, in which the token will be getting utilized. So we have the NFT mall, which is going to be going to be an NFT marketplace in which we are able to mint NFTs. And the interesting part here is that there's no minting fees for minting NFTs. You can mint NFTs, you can buy NFTs, you can sell NFTs, which I think is really amazing, especially for content creators out there who wants to cash in on their creativity, their products that they're creating. So I think this is a really good way for them to earn in this. Then metaverse meme world. This is another amazing thing that they're working on, that they're developing, which I think is really amazing. Then the POOPSKA swap, which will allow people to exchange their cryptocurrencies, which allows to swap Bitcoin and altcoins in an easy way. And the new tokens will be just launched. They will be available on the POOPSKA swap. So you can be an early buyer into it. You'll have the opportunity to invest into those early startups and early projects. Then we have the POOPSX wallet, which is going to be, for starters, a non-custodial wallet on the browser. And it'll be a wallet to use for payments and so forth, and afterwards they're going to build it more and more. So this will be a place to store the POOPSKA token, and they can use it for payments. They can people can easily create a wallet. They can buy, they can store, they can swap, and they can spend the tokens securely. So this is going to be another thing. And then we have the Poop Station AI games. It says crypto has been really popular for many years now, but its popularity has been spiking in recent years with some fun games that will attract more people into cryptocurrencies. Also, it's a good learning way. So we're going to have meme games in this station. Then we already have talked about the comics and also the cartoons, the episodes. So these are the things that they're doing. The good thing is, for an investor point of view, that the token will be getting utilized in a lot of different places, in a lot of different products, almost all of these, which, more utility equals more demands, and more demand equals more value. And the more that it is transacted, because it will be required by people, the more transactions there will be for the token, and the more Bitcoin the holders will get. So this is a good way for us to earn a good passive income in Bitcoin, which is really amazing. Now, as I mentioned before, they do have a pre-sale, and in this, along with the pre-sale, we're going to talk about what makes it secure and what makes it safe. So their pre-sale is going to start in just 1 day and 20 hours. So by the time the video is uploaded, it will be going live shortly. So we're not going to have a lot of time left to it. You can get all the details right here. Now, what makes it secure is they have all these badges in the pink cell. Now, for those of you guys who don't know what these badges are, you can simply click on it and you can take a look at, what they actually mean. The whole project has been audited. They have passed the KYC, and they have received the SAFU certificate, which means that, it says that this badge means that the project cannot be manipulated by developer to hurt investors and gain an unfair advantage over them. And the SAFU badge will be given to KYC projects that meet below specification. These are specifications that they fulfill in order to get this badge, which ensures that it is completely safe, it is completely genuine, it has been audited, the team has been KYC'd, so nothing can go wrong in this. This is a project with huge potential, with many utilities, many use cases, and many incentives for people to come into it and transact with the token. So with it, the price is going to skyrocket. It is going to go up way way up in the future. It can be, you can just imagine how much it'll go, 10x, 100x, 1000x, because right now it is, they're having a pre-sale. It is at a micro cap, and we can get the tokens at a discounted price, which I think is really amazing and a wonderful opportunity that we should definitely not miss. So yeah, I think this is all of you guys in this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.